Well, hello everybody. Gonna bring you guys along with us today. Just a little job. We got a little emergency call. We don't usually do too much this time of the year. We usually everything's closed up. All our trucks are shined up. We got one of our big clients that owns a bunch of apartment buildings. They called us. They said, "Listen, we got some trees that fell on some cars. Can you go check it out?" I think it's just branches. They sent me a quick picture. Looked like it was just branches. So called a couple guys, we'll load them up, grab 2 trucks, we'll go check it out. Probably be longer to get there and to clean everything up than it will be to do the job, but we'll see when we get over there. I'll bring you guys along with us to see it. We got quite a bit of snow overnight, 20 centimeters, about 8 inches. Got a truck here behind me. See in the mirror. Oh, and I'm so fussy when I keep my trucks clean, and now everything's gonna be dirty. We're going to inspection tomorrow, and all our trucks are going through inspection, government inspection tomorrow. All right. So, anyways, I'll bring you guys along with us. We'll try. I think I can maybe chip right in the woods there. I'm gonna try to do that so we don't have to go and dump and do all kinds of stuff. It's already pretty late in the day, and I don't even think the place where we dump is open. I don't even think there's no way they took the snow out of there, because we got a lot of snow overnight. Plus they're on the side of the road, so I imagine that'll be all locked off. Be a big snowbank trying to get in there. All right, maybe I should have said that no, because we got 5 other calls this morning, and the office said no, we're closed. And then this person called me on my personal phone, said, "Hey, listen," he goes, "one of our apartment buildings, there's a couple trees that fell on some cars. Can you go and check it out?" I like to take care of our customers. And in a month from now, we'll be out of here, we'll be gone, so there'll be absolutely nobody to work. I said, let me call, see if I have a couple guys that want to come in and give me a hand. And I said, I'll go take care of it for you. All right, let's head over there. Well, we just got to the place. Got ourselves into quite a pickle here. They hadn't even cleaned the driveway yet, and it's all ice. We're having quite the time just trying to get in the driveway. We spent probably at least half an hour, if not more, just trying to get up in here. C'est correct ça, Nordais. The other truck's over here trying to pull me out. All right, show you guys, we got one here broken. This is where the car was. The cars were underneath this. So we got the cars out. Don't seem to be too much damage. This big one here is broken. This stuff here looks like it was already on the ground. Really wish I could just chip right here, but we're way too far and there's no way we can move around. Alright, we're just finishing up. A quick little cleanup here. The snow removal tractor is over there. 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Oh, you see, un peu? Not there? Alright, so the branches are done. They're on the cars. The cars are right here. There was two broken here. We cut those two. Another one up in the big tree up here. Cut that. And you had the one in that big branch over here. Company that takes care of this, they told us minimum, just do the minimum. I said, you guys need a really good cleanup here. I mean, there's branches all over. There's branches on the neighbor's garage. There's branches on top of the building, on top of the apartment building. Look at that up there. This place needs a good cleanup. All right, we'll head over to the shop, clean up the trucks a bit. We're gonna have to dump the trailer, the dump truck, because the dump truck's full of snow. Not full of snow, full of chip. All right, let's head over, try to get out of here. We'll try to get out of here. We're gonna go through the neighbor's yard. Where?